quality, safety and innovation. This is what makes Kosavi Industries a world-class revolutionary company. At Kosavi, we make all of our components in-house with the highest standards of quality for each door we manufacture. We work in a 30,000 square feet facility in the heart of the city with a manufacturing capacity of up to 200 doors per shift of 8 hours. For achieving high precision in the door design, we use 3,600 tons hydraulic embossing, which improves strength, fatigue and rigidity. Our research and development team integrated additional adhesive techniques to produce rigid doors and best quality paint finish by using top-class raw materials. With over 15 years of experience in the fabrication industry, our team of experts combined with the world-class machinery, we are accomplished to make our facility a semi-automatic manufacturing plant. We used computerized numerical control machinery for metal fabrication to achieve accuracy, reliability and versatility. The door painting process is handled by a fully automatic Japanese pre-treatment and powder coating plant. The sheet has an anti-corrosion zinc coating finish which makes it weather and waterproof. All of our final products go through quality control and receives a certified quality assurance checked by our experienced team, finishing with a manifestation of strength and robustness. We do not compromise in any aspect of production and finished products. It is a wonderful combination of state-of-the-art technology and aesthetics with appealing appearance and higher value of decoration. Kosavi Industries, being one of the largest production facilities dedicated to only manufacturing steel doors in India and at a reputed industrial development area, has it all. We not only make sure we meet the requirement, but also make amazing, beautiful looking finished products that last a lifetime. At the end of the day, what sets Kosavi Industries apart is our approach to business and our relationship with our clients. Your safety is our strength. Join us to know more. Visit our website for more.